Yeah, okay, I'm getting it together. Man, you're really gonna love this. Okay, so I put the commercial in an automatic generator and it looks really cool. Alright, let me do the finishing touches and I think it's ready to go.
Welcome to Mississippi Trails, the place where you can relax and enjoy nature. Come down and take a look around our scientifically designed stress-free environment and take time away from this virus-infected world. You can even check out the beautiful lake by the lodge, but please avoid swimming in there as it contains a flesh-eating bacteria. It is even home to amazing wildlife which genes have been altered by the contaminated lake but instead mutates them to want to eat you. You will enjoy it here and the area is laid out so you will never have to worry about losing anyone else. You won't have to worry about losing anyone. Oh good, he found him. Who? There is so much to explore. You will love it here. Especially if you love the high 110-degree temperatures as this is the hottest spot in Mississippi. Now Mississippi Trails isn't for your average wildlife explorer as it was specifically designed for those city folks who have never seen a dead thing in their life. We even have relaxing sitting area for you to tell your wife about Jill from the meat department and how she means nothing to you. Inside the cabin we make sure you get the whole cabin life experience with no running warm water and dead things on the wall. And we even have place a hot odor that you will never be able to locate. Yes, this place sure is beautiful and has plenty of land to explore, but don't go too far off the trail or else you will end up facing the cannibals from the Wrong Turn movies. Mississippi Trails makes sure that you have a wonderful experience and that you feel free too. What's wrong with him? He may need to get that checked out. Mississippi Trails. Come book your trip today. We promise you won't be disappointed, as you will be asking your wife who is this man that is with us and she will be asking I thought you invited him and you will be saying I thought you did. Mississippi Trails. Also we will throw in a free t-shirt.